So here I am, kind of sitting around in my living room. Today, I have decided to take this day off and get some things done that I need to get done. So, how do you do that? How do you manage time? What do you do to make sure that you're getting the things done that you need to do? First of all, you got to write it down to make it happen. If you don't write things down, they're not going to happen. If you start to just kind of work off the cuff, as they say, or just get up in the morning and nothing is written down, uh, chances are you're going to be all over the place. So the first step in getting done what you need to get done is to write it down. I have a day timer that I write things down. Now, let me be serious. I don't always write them down. And then when I go back and I look, sometimes I have pages where I have not taken my time and written my day out and got my day organized. So what I'm trying to do is get my day organized so that I can have the time that I need. How do you get things done? How do you get things done that you need to get done? You specifically need to write it down. If you write things down, you can make things happen. Have a fantastic day. Talk to you soon. Bye.